Alright, you can check the time and just restart my computer and the Dragon Center is back. So I found a solution on Reddit. Let's see if this one is work. C drive. My name, right? Or users. Users default. App data. Local. Microsoft. Windows. Shell. Okay, now we have this. Right click on the select to delete the file. This one. Layout modification. Right click. Delete. Alright, okay, delete the file. So if you don't see the file, you're gonna click view, and over here you can check this hidden items. It will show you the hidden items, especially the app data. It will show you. So now I'm gonna right click, unpin from taskbar, and let's see if it works. Alright, it looks like it worked. There's no Dragon Center, and I didn't unpin it. That method is actually work. So thanks for watching, guys. If this will help you out, leave a like and comments below. See you guys next video.